I know, it ain't right, y'all. Yell at me? Woo! Watching Cater's vlog, and it won't be epic macaroni and cheese, but it made me want macaroni and cheese, so I'm going to go have Easy Mac for lunch. Also, oh my gosh, I was a little behind on our vlogs, but I finally got caught up. She had to get a new camera. It looked red. Does she have the red one now? Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. That means Kate now has the exact same camera as me. I could be proven wrong. I still have one more to watch, but I'm hungry. Don't judge me. I'm a dedicator. I'm a fangirl. I just want to be loved. Excuse me. Don't mind this. Bye. And now the question of the age is, do I watch Family Guy or continue watching Kate and Corey's vlogs while I eat? Oh wait, that's not a question of the ages. Caters! If you have any complaints about my hair, it's to teach you guys a lesson. Never, wait, I messed up. Ugh. I haven't done that in forever. Tried to stop the clip because I messed up. I just keep going and babble. Never, when you go in a pool, never be lazy and don't wash your hair afterwards. The day afterwards. Because it's been like 2 days now. I have cleaned up though. I do not stink. Dog. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I was right. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Oh, am I finally uploading the video so my computer is occupied? I can do this, right? Oh, I should be cleaning my room while I have nothing else to do? No. Okay. Well, it's not perfect, but it's better. Suitcase is unpacked at least. Mom's talking in the other room. But I'm on my second video uploading. The first one of camp. Awesome. Only took, oh god, I don't even want to count the days. And now we're back off to hang out with the boys for a few hours again.
No, let me over there. Get over there.
You hear this, YouTube? This is insanity. This can't be Sparta. Hold on, no, that's madness, not insanity, I'm sorry. You gotta like freak out and have like a seizure. Blah 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 blah.
Okay. Yeah.
Watch him freak out.
I need to borrow a flamethrower, somebody.
Here we go. Watch him go. Watch him go. Watch him stop.
Minecraft.
Finger in the lens.
Can I see this now?
For a second.
What's up? That is the awesome display of Minecraft. Look at him, look at it.
Your finger might be on the mic. Careful, it's like on the top there.
Look at it.
Hello.
Bye-bye. You're back here before she...
Hey.
No, I'm good. As long as he doesn't... As long as you just don't...
He's playing Minecraft. Alright?
And don't put your finger in the end of the point...
The greatest game ever, invented by the Norwegian guy, Notch.
I'm being
that's
sad,
an easy
Mom.
way to dance. Hi. My name is Zach, and he's my big brother.
You have to point that at yourself. There you go.
Yeah.
So, that's Jordan.
Okay.
That's Minecraft.
She only gets.
That's Minecraft, and he's
Yeah.
trying to make his house right now. So
And that thing right there is a hot air balloon.
that
Right.
Let's
that's
fly.
an air balloon.
Two of the awesome.
He's in the air balloon.
Let's fly.
In the country.
Can you move so I can get a better view, please?
Awesome guys. Awesome dudes.
1 second.
Look at my epic night. Look at my epic night. He's riding around with his
That's
cape.
his epic
Watch your
night,
head in the light. Light.
and
You're
he's
in the
on
light.
the air balloon.
Was that hot?
Uh-oh.
No, but I have a cramp in my leg. Oh.
Alright, I better not go too far from my house because I have no clue where I am right now.
He has no clue where he is right
I
now.
think they heard me, Zachary.
We only have a 2 minute and 56
That's how long it's been going.
Yeah. How long do you
56
think we
what?
can do this
This
Minecraft
clip
video?
alone is like 3.
Hey, Mom.
30 minutes.
3.
Hey.
It's okay. I
Hello.
haven't done a lot.
So, my mom just walked in the room.
Alright, so Zachary, give the camera back to Dara.
No, I'm still taking video.
Wait. I think that's enough for now.
Zachary,
Okay.
doing it.
Bye.
Of course, I'm doing it in the chair.
Jordan, say bye.
Easy way.
Goodbye.
I rode your bike a little bit. I only got 2 to pump up the
Okay,
back
I think
tire
that's
before
gonna stop.
Zachary.
So bye. Hanging out on the handicap cart and getting weird looks while Mom's in the bathroom, because it's the only one and I need to hold it, is awesome. I'm bored. Guess what? I'm buying Minecraft tonight. Oh yeah. Wait, it messes up when I move. Ow. That's an awkward position. I can't do it. It's the camera's not right to get that shot. I'm bored. Still. Mom's looking at perfume and girly stuff. Yuck. I really should boycott Target. I've never seen a single Glee thing here. And that one's everywhere. Shh. I feel accomplished. I just ate all the Twilight Saga and Justin Bieber CDs. Why? Not the best thing to come home to. It hasn't done it in like 10 videos. Why? Success! Good night. Ow. You guys attacked me. I shouldn't hit the floor.